Zontes 703V sports cruiser has been revealed. Not yet on the Zontes main site in China, but leaked to the press. To sit alongside the 703F adventure bike. The 703R sports bike, and also the yet-to-be-revealed 703 R naked bike, albeit in varying states of tune. Utilizing the same 100 brake horsepower, inline 3-cylinder engine as is found in its adventure bike sibling, the 703V is graced with some top-spec kit, with Brembo bringing the stoppers and a front fork that looks to be from Showa. Ready-to-ride weight of under 200 kilograms that should ensure performance is adequate, if not incredible. The price should be good too, with the 703F ADV bike having a UK price of £6,995. If the same pricing structure is applied to the new cruiser, it might be a bit of a bargain. Let me know what you think in the comments. Until next time, Mad Mick.